How to fix gallery app not working on Samsung phone. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down. Scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, scroll down and search gallery app from here. You will see gallery app is here. Click on gallery app. If you want to fix gallery app not working problem, click on storage. After click on storage, click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, click on clear data. After the process, you will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can fix gallery app not working on Samsung phone. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.